Hello and welcome to this DJI tutorial video. This video will show you how to link your Phantom 4 Pro with its remote controller. All Phantom 4 Pro remote controllers are linked to the aircraft before delivery. But if the aircraft status indicators flash yellow quickly, and the indicator on the remote controller is solid red, the RC needs to be linked with the aircraft. There are two ways to link the Phantom 4 Pro. Here's how to link your RC with DJI Go 4. Launch DJI Go 4. Select Remote Controller Settings. Press Linking Remote Controller and tap OK. The remote controller will emit a beeping sound, and the indicator will flash blue, indicating that it's ready to link. To the right of the aircraft nose, find the hole between the SD card slot and the USB port. Press the button with a pen or suitable tool, hold it for 2 seconds, and release it. Beeping will stop, and the remote controller indicator will turn green. The app will display a notification indicating linking is complete. Tap OK. Linking without a mobile device. Power on the aircraft and remote controller. Then press the C1, C2, and record button at the same time. When the remote controller starts beeping, press the link button on the aircraft. If linking fails, please try again. If linking fails repeatedly, please contact DJI support. Thank you for watching.